Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? All right? I hope each and every one of you is having a wonderful day on this Sunday, red rice and rooster day. And I hope you not feel no pain. And if you are feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Make somebody bring you to the doctor. Call the doctor. Go to the doctor. Make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. If you don't have the money, no worry yourself. We go call every one of your family member. Make somebody carry you down at the doctor. Your auntie, your sister, your cousin, your brother, Janet, Presser, everybody we go call. And guys, remember, do the wellness check because mental health crisis is not a joke. It's not something to play with. It's very serious. So we go do some wellness check with family members and make sure everybody is all right. Now, if today is your birthday, happy, happy, happy birthday. Go shorty. It's your birthday, and you don't know we do not give one if we just have got party and have a wonderful time pan your birthday. Now, guys, you don't know me have to play. You know me have to play it. Yeah, man, me have to play it. So, me could go and listen to it. Make we get it organized and get it to play. Good. So, guys, you know we have to play it. So, ready?
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Stand up. Stop it right here, so. Uno see who dey on the screen. Yes, uno see who dey on the screen. Alicia Kim dey on the screen. And today, I go make Alicia Kim say to you. I know you hear it already. I know you see it already. But I saw Mr. AKA shit in a plate. Make a video stating about Alicia Kim say she regret. She never says so. Lie you a tell pan her. Stop tell lie on the young lady. Stop tell lie on the young lady. So we and me going to make Alicia Kim tell you with her own mouth. Alicia Kim, you ready? You ready, mama? Let me know when you're ready, you know. Yeah.
This is going to be my final question. Do you regret marrying him, or do you think it was an experience that had to happen? Final question. I do not regret it at all. I don't. Now with all the talking and the lies and the chatter and all that, I'm very close. I'm very close. The truth is, I don't regret it because there are certain lessons only time can teach me, and I had to. It's a journey that I had to take on. I had to. Even during it, I wouldn't know how the end would be. I didn't know how the person would be. But they said the same person you marry is not the same person you divorce. That came from a divorce lie, and it's so true. But I'm done with that. I'm done with it. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to hear about it. I don't want to think about it. I'm done. Done. I'm done. Because it's not my fault. It's not my fault. Where's my bed? Listen, done. Over with. Over. We're done. Right, mama? So, who want talk? Who want discuss? Who want misconstrued? Who want to just blatantly lie? I'm going to be tending to my baby right now because she wants her mommy. But this is my new reality right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, do. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Okay. Remember, do. Yes, you remember what she said? Do. Now, my viewers and my beautiful subscribers, let me say this. Why are they telling so much lies, making up stories and doing all kind of stupidity? She never said she regret. She never said it. She said it nearly. Just a little bit. She nearly, but she never regret. She never said she regret. She no say it. Stop tell lie, man. Stop it, man. And it is a shame to see people out there are listen to the lies and a comment upon the lies about the woman say she regret then with AKA have nothing aka criminal, aka bad getting, aka narcissist, aka controlist, aka manipulator, aka no have no sense, aka pick bird over woman. She never says so. Stop, tell, lie. Anyway, guys, make we move on to the next thing where we want to listen to her talk about, and then I'll talk about something
And if
afterwards.
I can, afford her that life. Hey, Mimi. How's baby girl doing? She's doing well. Do you see yourself getting married anytime soon? I don't know. I guess we will see. I do know the kind of wedding that I will want if I were to walk down that road again. And if I were to walk down that road again, just know it has to be with the right.
Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. Did you hear what she said? If she should get married again, it go be have to be right. And the reason why I stop it right so is because the married, when she get married, that married was all what word I should use. The man pick her out. The man investigate her out. The man look into it and say, yes, this is and can be my pension. Yes, this can be something where we can live off of. This can be my retirement plan. This can be because she love to work and love to have business. And remember, him say it him own self. Him say, when him look on it, him say, yes, this is good for me. Not it's good for us. Him say it is good for him, not us. Make we carry on.
Person, it has to be the right time, the right intention. It has to be different this go around, this second time. It has to be so different.
Hold on, hold on. Did you hear Alicia Kim drop a bombshell right there? You have to be for the right reason. It have to be for the right reason and not the wrong reason, not the money reason, the right reason. Love, respect, care, and manners, and us. 5 things. It have to be for the right reason. Now make me go and listen to good girl.
If it happens, it happens. But as of right now, yeah, I don't know. Apart from therapy, how did you navigate the noise on social media regarding your reputation? Apart from therapy, as I mentioned, blocking out the noise, not paying attention to it. I don't watch people who discuss me, especially in a negative way. I don't watch it. I don't need to. Why would I need to put garbage in my head? I don't watch it. I don't consume it. I don't pay it any mind. I just ignore it. I hear the chatter because, of course, they'll comment on my page. Of course, I have family and friends who want to say, can't believe them I said this about you and it's all lies and whatever. So I am aware of a lot of the negativity, but I don't let it consume me. I think having joy in my real life is how I stay grounded, and I just focus on doing things that will make me a better person, make me keep a pure and clean and positive heart. And what people say about me has nothing to do with me. I tell you time and time again, what people say about me have nothing to do with me. That's on them. That's their opinion. They're entitled to it. That's how they see the world. People can only see the world, experience the world from their vantage point. I cannot dictate that. I have no control over that. So I let them judge me.
Did you hear that? That's why when them talk about me, I reply, reflect, or have nothing to say because who God bless, no man curse, and who know me, know how I am. who don't know me may have a chance to say, I don't think he would do that. That's why when them talk, that's why I'm gonna say listen to good girl.
I let them talk about me. I let them rewrite my story. I let them do it because that's what they need to do to find joy and happiness. There is no reward for me to beat down somebody back and say, hey, I never do this. I'm not that type of person. There's no reward. I can only show up as my authentic self. And how people take that, interpret that, it's on them. If you experience me and you experience me as a positive person, as an uplifting person, you see my story for what it is, then I appreciate that. I love that. I cherish that. But if you don't, there's nothing I can do about it, you know. I think I have lived my life, documented my life in such a way that what is going on is just pure gossip. It's gossip. It's people wanting to know more about my life, and because they don't know more, they try to fill in blanks to suit a narrative that suits them. But the story has been told, and my story that I tell has been vindicated by people that are actually in the story. So even people that still want to say, oh, she's this and she's that, one thing they can never say, or one thing that is proven, everything that Kim says, they'll come out and tell you that yes, it's the truth. It goes so for real. So I will not spend my days trying to change anyone's opinion at all. And also remember, gossip nice, you know. Gossip nice because the truth boring. Who wants the truth? Blah blah blah. Boo boo. Tomato tomato. We don't want to hear that. Give me some juicy gossip. Wow, what you say? Give me the juicy gossip. Give me the juicy gossip. People are going to love it. There's nothing, you know. At this point, there's nothing I can do about it. This one says it's not a question.
Guys, we really have to let's take a little breather. Because when you sit down and you look at it, you see, when you sit down and you look at it, when you sit down and you look at it real good, and you ask yourself the question, why? For what reason? How? It just tell you that's just hatred, jealousy. But you know, we go continue listen. But this part is where we really want to listen to really, because a lot of people believe Alicia Kim feelings and heart make out a steel. Many people believe Alicia Kim heart just feelings make out a board, steel, and something when you have no feelings. So then beat her, and believe that she just afloat through life. There is mothers who beat her, who know about pregnancy. Make she say it for herself, then we will have a conversation afterwards.
Your pregnancy and with all the chaos going on the internet, how did you manage? I try to keep a positive outlook in everything that I do. And there are many times when the chatter on the internet, it got to me. Really got to me. I deleted YouTube off my phone. I didn't want to talk about anything that was going on. It really, and especially people were saying negative things, wanting negative outcomes for my baby and, you know, my birth and all of that. So I just kind of block out the noise and focus on working. So I'm vlogging, I'm putting up my vlogs. I don't care about what's going on the internet. I don't want to know. I'm just doing me, and that helped. Doing me. I'm not reading comments or watching what other people are saying about me. No, I had to just do me. reading my Bible, doing my journaling, doing the things that made me happy and made me at peace and keeping my mental space free of clutter, free of garbage, free of trash, free of negativity, and keeping that zone stress-free and positive. But I can say it was hard. It was hard to have so much going on because during pregnancy you're already hormonal, you already feel stressed out, you already have so much going on, and to live a life where you're on the internet and people are lying on you saying you have baby, you're not baby, who you, it was just a lot. So I deleted YouTube.
Did you hear those things? Let me tell all of you something. See, listening is very important for your life where you are live. Lying, saying things, making up story about a woman who is pregnant of a human being a carrying at them belly is very wicked. And then those same people who talking about purple heart. Yeah? Those same people is the people who talking about purple heart. Now, I coming up with a video about that purple heart business. You're talking about purple heart, but do you really believe and love and care anything about this purple heart movement? When you bash and beat a woman and still talking about purple heart, make you want to listen to this video because that's our next story.
That's the app though, not the part where I see my coins and see how much money I get paid, and not YouTube Studio, but I deleted YouTube for a while. How's baby girl doing? I went through that already. They said a meet and greet is needed in Jersey. We can think about that. How does it feel to finally be a...
Hold on. You not get away with that just so. Meet and greet in a New Jersey? Alicia Kim, hold on. If you are going to plan a meet and greet in a New Jersey, nobody get up this morning and say meet and greet tomorrow. Meet and greet are going to happen in a July, you announce it in a April. So that means we can fix everything, set up everything, because guess what? Meet and greet, Alicia Kim, me did it for me ears. And which one? Anyone of me ears them, me did it. So nobody come back no meet and greet and announce it today and tomorrow. Give we time because we need to fly from England, we need to fly from Canada, we need to fly from Jamaica, we need to fly from all over the equator to come to New Jersey. New Jersey match up.
Rewarding. It feels rewarding. I feel comfortable.
No warning, no sound. Promises folded, left on the ground. He packed his reasons, said nothing was clear. Walked out the picture, left shadows and fear. Now the story gets twisted, rewritten in blame. Calling her guilty, calling her name. But truth doesn't tremble, it stands where it's taught. This ending is heavy, but it's not her fault. Love is a vow, not a convenient escape. You don't break a mirror and curse its shape. When courage runs out and the heart turns cold, don't sell a lie just to feel consoled. It's not Alicia Kim's fault. Hear it plain. She carried the weight, she endured the pain. He chose the exit, he chose the divide. Now he's pointing the finger to quiet his pride. Say it out loud, let the record be taught. It's not Alicia Kim's fault. She stayed through the silence, the nights without rest. Tried to hold together with love put to test. He changed the rules, then moved the goal. Call distance freedom, call running control. Now the blame comes easy, the truth comes slow. When walking away feels safer than growth, but accountability isn't a weapon to wield. It's the price of the choices we make and conceal. Yeah. You don't burn the house and accuse a flame. You don't leave the table and fault the game. If you choose departure, then own that thought. Don't borrow a name for a shame you brought. It's not Alicia Kim fault. She carried the weight, she endured the pain. He chose the exit, he chose the divide. Now pointing the finger to quiet his pride. Say it out loud, let the record be taught. It's not Alicia Kim. Divorces and failure is true, set free. When love can't breathe, it must let be. Strength is surviving the blame they throw. Standing in light when the lies still grow. History remembers what courage costs, and names the choice when the line is crossed. It's not Alicia Kim fault. Stand firm, stand tall. She didn't abandon the promise or call. He walked his path, made choices he bought. Now let honesty speak, no cover, no gloss. Say it once more, let the truth be taught. It's not Alicia Kim. Let the blame fall silent, let healing start.